Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a spotlight-ready snap. Record vertically in 9 to 16, keep clips under 60 seconds, and frame your subject clearly. Use natural light or a ring light positioned at 0 to 45 degrees to avoid harsh shadows. Turn on Snapchat's high-quality upload option before you post so compression won't wreck your detail. Once done, trim to the strongest 10-20 seconds. Spotlight favors immediate engagement, so start with a clear visual hook and steady audio to hold viewer attention. You now optimize the middle. Lead with a hook in the first 3 seconds, an intriguing action, question, or reveal, because Spotlight algorithms value fast engagement. Add concise on-screen captions and select a trending sound that matches the mood. Sound alignment increases reach. Use 3 to 6 relevant tags and craft a thumbnail from a peak moment so viewers understand the payoff. Make sure pacing varies. Alternate shorter beats with a slightly longer reveal so retention stays high throughout the clip. You finish by posting strategically during peak hours for your audience, then monitor performance metrics, views, completion rate, and shares. If a snap climbs, engage promptly with follow-up content to sustain momentum. If performance is poor, troubleshoot. Check upload quality, swap the thumbnail, or trim to a tighter edit and reupload. Minor edits can trigger reevaluation. Make sure to avoid repetitive tags and respect copyright for sounds. Clean metadata and fresh visuals often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.